Hi, 5th grade. Whew, we just had a crazy earthquake, and I almost died recording these videos. My big Pledge of Allegiance wooden sign that's above my desk up high, the building shook so hard that it came crashing down and it broke, and it barely missed my head. I'm so glad that that did not hit me. That was crazy. I know some of you guys felt it because I was on the phone with a parent when it happened. And wow, I will say I am not that old, even though some of you might think so, but I have never lived through an earthquake before. Never felt one. And that felt like a big one to me. So here we go. We're going to finish this last worksheet for Wednesday. And here we go. First thing I did is I actually went ahead and kind of started this. And we are looking at what? 3/5 minus 1/10. First thing I did is I listed those multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, listed my multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30, found my least common multiple there. Went ahead and rewrote these problems using a common denominator. So 3/5 became how many, is the equivalent to how many tenths? Well, it's going to be equivalent to 6 tenths. Okay? Think about it this way. I'm doubling that 5 to get to 10. I have to double that 3 to get to 6. All these different ways to start thinking about it. 6 tenths minus 1/10 is going to leave me with 5 tenths. We know that 5 tenths is the same as 1/2. Okay, number 2, 2/5 plus 4/6. I went ahead and listed out my multiples of 5. Listed out my multiples of 6 until I found the one that they have in common. Least common multiple is 30. So I'm taking 2/5 and I want to know an equivalent fraction that has 30 as the denominator. All right, so I think about this. The way I think about this is I say, what did I have to multiply 5 by to get to 30? Well, I had to multiply it by 6. So if I multiplied the denominator by 6, I have to multiply the numerator by 6 as well. So 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 5 is 30. Over here, what did I multiply 6 by to get to 30? I multiplied it by 5. 4 times 5 is 20. 6 times 5 is 30. Now I can add. 20 plus 12 is 32 thirtieths. Okay. Now we think about this. This is an improper fraction. My numerator is larger than my denominator, meaning this is bigger than 1 whole. 30 thirtieths is 1 whole. I have 2 thirtieths left over. 2 thirtieths reduces because both 2 and 30 are even numbers. So my final answer is going to be 1 and 1/15. All right. Last one like this. I have 1/7 plus 2/3. I'm going to go ahead and list my multiples of 7, list my multiples of 3, and I get a least common multiple of 21 once I get those listed out. So I'm looking for an equivalent fraction to 1/7. So here, times 7 equals 21? Well, that would be timesing by 3. I'd have to split those 7 parts into thirds to get 21 parts. So timesing the numerator by 3 gives me 3 21s, is equivalent to 1/7. Over here, what am I multiplying 3 by to get to 21? Well, I'm multiplying by 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 21s is equivalent to 2/3. Now I'm going to add those numerators together. 3 plus 14 is 17 21s. 3 21s plus 14 21s is 17 21s. Okay, down here. When Carlos had 1 dog, he needed to serve 1/3 of a can of dog food each day. Now that Carlos has adopted a second dog, he needs to serve a total of 5/6 of a can each day. How much extra food is needed to feed the second dog? All right, so we now have a total of 5/6 of a can each day. That's how much he feeds now. Before the second dog, he served 1/3 of a can. We want to know how much extra food is needed to feed the second dog. So we're going to take 5/6, partition this into 6 parts, shade in 5 of them. We need to take away 1/3. Take away 1/3. Looking for our least common multiple, which in this case is going to be 6. I can just cut that in half, and I'm going to end up with 6 pieces. So I can now see that 1/3 is the same as 2/6. So they didn't give us a lot of room to write here. So we're going to say 5/6 minus 2/6 equals 5 minus 2 is 3/6, which we know is the same as 1/2. So it is taking an extra 1/2 can to feed the second dog. Second dog must be bigger than the first dog because the first dog is only taking 1/3 of a can. All right, guys. Thank you. This concludes Wednesday. See you later.